Hey everyone, it's Brian and we are at the SEMA Show 2017 and we are with Jared from Ingersoll Rand and he is going to show you the air compressor of your dreams. No doubt. This thing is cool. Walk us through it. Tell us what it is.
All right, so this is a rotary screw compressor, okay? So just like think of like a root style supercharger on a dragster, right? It's got these big lobes that are turning and compressing the air for the engine. Very similar, except the lobes are twisted like screws.
Yep.
That's why we call it rotary screw.
Yep.
So it's actually compressing the air in a screw fashion. So I've got my intake filter right here. The air is being drawn in. I got a control valve that allows us to load and unload. The air, here's where actually the rotors are housed, inside this housing right here. The air is compressed, discharged into a reservoir where I separate the air from the oil. I've got a heat exchanger up top that cools the oil, cools the air prior to going into a tank, removing the moisture, and ensuring you've got a lot of flow and a lot of good clean air for that system.
And one of the things you mentioned before this video is that this thing's quiet.
Oh yeah, super quiet, man.
So
super
let's
quiet.
turn this thing on. Let's see what it sounds like.
This panel on here.
So we're standing with microphones right next to it.
Right.
Right? And this is perfect. You can hardly hear it.
Right.
So with this running, someone's in a dealership, somebody who's used, how many technicians are going to work off this unit?
This one particularly is a 7.5 horsepower. I got these from a 5 horsepower up to 500 horsepower, but fundamentally I would say this is good for at least 15, 20 technicians in most of your automotive repair or body shops.
That's crazy. And just to give you guys a little note, I mean, we'll turn this off, right?
Yep, that's how you do it.
And it's going to cool itself here, but that's it. That's amazing. So for your shop, what do you want? That.
Exactly.
Awesome. Thanks for being with us. We love showing you things that you can dream about for your garage. Make sure you give us a like, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for showing this, buddy.
Thanks, Brian. Appreciate it, man.
Have a good show.
All right.
See ya.